So guys, crazy night, huh? It's pitch dark, and oh man, Thomas, I hate the dark. Thomas, please. Oh, shut up. Okay, are you guys ready for our comedy show after dark? Duncan, what does that mean? Comedy show after dark? It means we tell jokes nobody else would tell. Oh God, Duncan, if you're gonna be controversial, I want out. No controversial. Don't you worry about me. I'm gonna ignore how you said controversial. Contro. Percy, it's fine. Just leave it. Hello, everybody. My name is Duncan, and welcome. Fuck. Henry, you goddamn idiot. Set the lighting up properly. There we go. Hello, everybody. My name is Duncan, and welcome to our show, Comedy After Dark. I'm joined by Henry, the Green Engine. We're putting in the laugh stock sound effects after, right? Percy, the small engine. I thought it was the green engine too. And Thomas, the tank engine. Hi, yeah, that's me. I'm so tired. Now, today, I have a question. Back on my railway, I swear, you'd never know these coaches from cattle trucks. And I know that for sure, because my buddy Sir Handel, I tell you, he goes on and on about it. He's supposed to be this big engine, but he's not. Oh. Remind you of anyone, Percy? Yeah, that's literally Gordon. Shh. Guys, remember, Gordon is passing by, like, any moment with the express, so shut up. Okay, he's gone. We're fine. Thank you, Henry. No, I have to say, for our closing act, that's it. Fuck off. Really? You end the show with fuck off? Really? Why are we doing this? Are we this bored? Why can't we just read books in silence? I would very much like to read a book. How? You don't have fucking... Something just moved, but that's fine. It's not right of me to ruin your dreams, and I'm sorry. Now, what do you say that we all get good night's sleep? Because this fucking power outage is pissing me the fuck off, because it's been going on since 3 o'clock this afternoon, and it's like fucking 9 p.m. right now. I've gone 6 hours without my telly, and I'm pissed off. So, what do you say? I say, this has been Thomas the Tank Engine saying this was a big waste of time. Have fun looking at this like a month after this happened and wondering what the fuck was going on. Because you'll never